SafeLoad Program Driver Accreditation Online, an operational guide. Trainer approves face-to-face training. Once a trainee has completed their face-to-face training session, the trainer must visit the portal to approve this. Log in with your details and proceed to the dashboard. Click on the Approve Training Completed link under Actions. Select the trainee that you want to approve by using the control, then click Next. You will then be able to view the trainee's details. To approve the trainee's completion of face-to-face training, click Yes, then Next. Confirm your approval by clicking the Finish button. You have now approved the trainee's face-to-face training. When the trainee logs into the portal, their dashboard will be updated to show their status as having completed face-to-face training.